Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the gratitude check-in on the Calm application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the profile button down below, which is the third option. After that, click on the notification section in the middle and then tap on gratitude check-in. After that, you should set the time when you would like to check in. After selecting, tap on the set time button and select the days when you would like to get this reminder. After that, tap on the save settings button down below to save the reminder. And basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.